Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a bargain bike special with me today. It's a 2009 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. It's got a nice two-tone paint job, vivid black and pewter pearl. Kind of a baby blue pinstripe. Good looking logos on the tank. This one's got a 96-inch twin cam, fuel injected with a 6-speed transmission. Got nice wide floorboards and pedals on this bike. So we're gonna sell this as a bargain bike special. We're gonna sell it as is. We test rode it. We got it cleaned up. Made sure it passed the Texas state inspection. Now we got it out here for sale. It's got a nice fat Dunlop tire on the rear. Some decent tread left. Nice tall passenger backrest. It's got a few little paint chips on each side of the fender right here. I'm guessing from taking this thing on and off. Very minor. All the chrome looks to be in excellent condition. It's got a heel toe shifter, 2-piece seat. If you want to solo it out, you can take off this backrest, take off this passenger seat. Have a nice soloed out look. It's got some upgraded Avon grips. It's got a studded leather tank bib. It's only got 16,506 miles. Factory security. I really didn't see any other kind of issues as far as cosmetically. Maybe a little oxidation on these lower fork legs. We put a brand new tire on the front, Michelin Commander 2. I like the handlebars on the Fat Boy too. Nice wide grip, good pullback. It's a real comfortable ride. Revs up real good. It's a good running bike, guys. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. We can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'll be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.